Here's how to fix Steam not downloading games. I'll walk you through several solutions, so try them one by one until your downloads start working again. First, open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner. Then select Settings and go to the Download section. Start by checking your download region. Make sure it's set to a server location that's close to where you live. If the selected region is far away, change it to a nearby location and then try downloading your game again. Next, go to Storage from the left-hand menu. Find the drive where your Steam games are installed, click the three dots next to it, and select Repair Library. Steam will check the library for problems and automatically repair any issues it finds. Once that's finished, go back to the Download section. Make sure the option called Throttle Downloads while streaming is turned off. This setting can limit your download speed while you're streaming games. After that, scroll down and select Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action when prompted. Steam will restart, and you'll need to sign back into your account. Once you've logged back in, try downloading your game again. If the download still isn't working, the next thing to check is your Windows firewall. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, then select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the left-hand side. Click Change Settings at the top and look for Steam in the list. Make sure both private and public network access are enabled. If Steam isn't listed, for example, if I remove Steam from this list, once Steam has removed, click Allow another app and select Browse. Here, you have to locate the Steam executable file. Go to your C drive, then open programfiles.x86, then find and open the Steam folder. Find the Steam executable file, select it, and click Add. Make sure both private and public are checked for Steam, then click OK to save your changes. You can also try clearing your network cache. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Enter the following command, ipconfig /flush DNS, and press Enter. Then close Command Prompt and try downloading your game again. If you're still having problems, your network adapter driver could be outdated. Open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it, then expand Network Adapters. Find your Wi-Fi adapter. It should contain Wi-Fi in its name. Right-click it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check for an available update. Once the driver is updated, restart your computer and try downloading the game again. If none of these solutions work, you can try reinstalling Steam. Open the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, and open it. Find Steam in the list of installed applications. Click the three dots next to Steam and select Uninstall. After Steam has been removed, open the Run dialog by searching for Run in the Start menu. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Look for a Steam folder in this location. If you find one, right-click it and delete it. Finally, download and reinstall Steam from the official Steam website. Once the installation is complete, sign back into your account and try downloading your game again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.